Okay, listen up. If you've ever wondered how those secret agents in movies hide their tracks online, let me tell you, the answer is not some crazy Hollywood hack. It's actually something called onion routing. And no, it's not about hacking onions. So what is onion routing? Imagine you want to send a message across town, but you don't want anyone to know it's from you or where it's going. Instead of handing it straight to the delivery guy, you put your message in an envelope. Then you put that envelope inside another envelope, and then another, and so on. Each layer has its own address. Only the outermost address is visible at a time. That's exactly how onion routing works, but online. When you use something like the Tor browser, your data is wrapped up in multiple layers of encryption, just like those envelopes. Each layer knows only where it came from and where to send it next, but nothing else. So here's how it goes. First, I open my Tor browser and visit a website. My data gets encrypted, layered up like an onion, and then travels through several random computers. These are called relays or nodes. The first node peels off the outer layer, reads the next destination, and sends it on. The second node does the same, and so on, until the final node, called the exit node, sends my request to the website. At every step, each node only knows the computer before it and the one after it. Nobody in the middle can see both where the message came from and where it's going. The website at the end? It just sees the exit node, not me. It's like passing secret notes in class, where only the last person knows what's inside, but not who wrote it. But why go through all this trouble? Simple privacy. Whether you're a journalist, a whistleblower, or just someone who doesn't want your internet service provider snooping around, onion routing gives you that cloak of invisibility. Now, is it foolproof? Not exactly. If you log into your personal Gmail account, all the onion layers in the world can't hide your identity. But if you're careful and know what you're doing, onion routing is one of the best tools to stay anonymous online. So the next time you hear about hidden services, dark web, or internet privacy, you'll know it's all about those onion layers. Pretty cool, right? If you want more tech breakdowns like this, just stick around. See you in the next one.